Get paid $1 every day. Can you see that? Get paid $1 every day by just playing some game, doing some ritual task on this particular app. You get paid $1 every day. Sweet. Okay. The game a lot of people have been playing for free. Here, once you play the game, you get $1. So if you want to know more about this particular app, if you want to know the name, if you want to know how it works, I'll take you step by step on how you can start making at least $1 every day. If you check it in our currency, you will know that it's a lot of money. This works worldwide, okay? This works worldwide. Anybody can play, anybody can install it in their phone and start, playing the game, doing some ritual tasks and start making money. It's very simple, okay? The beauty of my channel here is that I show you the simple things that you can be doing, and at least you can keep, making some income. You keep making some money, okay? This is not get rich quick, but at least it can sustain you, okay? It can provide for a daily bread. So let's go. Let me show you how you can make $1 every day, okay? Make $1 every day. And the beauty of it is that once you reach $1, you can withdraw it to your PayPal account. If you don't have PayPal account, don't worry. I will also teach you how you can get an active PayPal account. I will share you some links that at least if you watch all those things, you can follow it step by step and get your PayPal account. It's very simple, okay? So let's go. Let me show you around how this works. Things you should be doing once you are in this app is very simple, okay? As you can see, I have accumulated 12,321 points just yesterday, and some of my friends that have been doing this, they have been cashing out since ages now. They have been cashing out. This is the new app, okay? So I want you to do the rush now and start making your own money. It's very simple to do. The task is not too big to do, okay? So the reason why I'm using phone is because everything we are going to do is just phone. It's just once you go to Play Store, you can download the app and start making money. Or if you want to direct if you want to download it directly, you go to my description, you will see the link to download this app. Is free of charge, okay? So what you need to be doing in this app is just some little things like download some app and play game, okay? That's the things. And another thing you can do is you can, running. The way you run, you can keep the running active and it will be running for you every day, and it will be accumulating some points. And once you reach $1 for a day, you will get paid direct to your PayPal account. Is that not very simple? Okay. So this is the first thing you need to do when you are here. You can click on discover, as you can see, and down you can see discover. Once you click on discover, all those things, if you play this, Newsday provide you with information, okay? That's Newsday, okay? Daily news. So once you click on this +2, okay, once you click on this first one, you get 256 points, okay? Okay, let's just do it together. I click on this, you click on start, okay, you click on your browser. This is something we do every day without even get paid. But here, okay, because I have done it before, it won't open because I have done it, okay? But once you click on that, it will take you to a web page where you can, read the news, and after that, the money will be accumulating at the edge, okay? So the next thing is my app, okay? Because I have done this before, I did it early in the morning, so that's why I'm not able to do it again till 24 hours, okay? So once I click on my app, okay, it will refresh. Then this check-in, if you check in, you will get 1,000 points, okay? Once you click on get, okay, this is, okay, this is for day 2. I'll be checking it in every day. Once I check in, I get 100 points. Okay. In 3 days, if I check in 3 days, I get 2,000. And if I get, so it's something that you can even get up to 3,000 points. Okay, that's times 2. So because I have done the one of today, that's the first time. It haven't reached 24 hours. So once it is 24 hours, I can check in again. So that's the thing. That's the thing. So I'm just trying to show you around things that you will be doing. Okay, this is daily work. Once you click, if you notice at the edge of this phone, you will see something like cup. Okay, that simply mean this is working. I have gotten 515. Okay, once you click on redeem, can you see that it will keep accumulating? You click on OK. I have done that. So this is what you will be doing. Just simple task. Simple task. Okay, video reward. You click on video reward. Okay, you just need to. Okay, this is it. Let me click on browser. Okay, it will direct you to download this app. Okay, Ayoba. Once you download the app, you get your points. It's very simple and straight. Okay, if you don't want to do that one, you can skip it. You can skip it by clicking on cancel. Okay, by clicking on cancel. Okay, another interesting stuff here is invitation. Invitation is another interesting stuff here. So if you want to make more or get more coin, all you need to do is just to invite your friends. And with short of time, I'll just show you how you can invite your friends to join you here. This app is legit. A lot of people have been confirmed that this app is working, because what I'll be showing you here is what is working. Okay, if it's not working, I don't think I'll come here to show you. Because it's working, that's why I come here to show you things the way it is. So invitation, once you click on invitation, you can share your link, okay, or you can copy your code. Okay, once you click on copy code, can you see that? Once I copy code, I can go to my browser and paste it, or I can give it to my friends. Once they use it to read or to download the app, I'll get my point. Okay, you can share it to your friends. You can share it on Facebook. You can share it on WhatsApp. You can share it on any social media. Okay, you can share it. So anyhow you want to share it, but I'll show you the tricks on how you can get more points by sharing it. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can do it on Facebook to get thousands of people to sign with your link. Okay, so here is redeem. Here is where you can get your money. Okay, this is once they show you the points accumulated. Here is the things that I did. If you notice, this was yesterday. Okay, this was yesterday by 12 a.m. yesterday. Can you see that? That's to show you that I'm just new in this app. And what motivated me to start doing or start, showing you this is because some of my friends are on this and I have seen their money and they got their $1 every day. Okay, by doing all those simple tasks. This task is something that you can do at your own space. Okay, whatever you want. So that's the thing. So this is very straight and important. Okay, invitation. If you want to invite somebody. Okay, if you want to invite somebody, you can just share your link and get more people to work with you as team. Okay, so this is all you need to be doing. Discover, okay, my apps. Here you can play some game. It's because I have done the one for 24 hours for the day. I've done that. That's the reason why I'm not able to do it. I should have shown you everything, the way you play the game. But the game is normal game you play. Once you keep playing the game, you keep accumulating points. And once your points reach $1, you can then withdraw it to your PayPal account. Okay, the only method to withdraw your money is through PayPal account. That's the only method for now. Okay, that's PayPal account. So what you need to do, if you want to create a PayPal account, you can search it on YouTube here. There's a lot of people that will show you how to create it. Okay, I will also make time to walk you through how you can do it on your own, but I'm still preparing the video that will guide you on that. But at least for now, you can do it through, you can search for it on YouTube. Okay, so that's that. So the next thing now is how you can share it on Facebook so that you can get thousands of people to work with you. Okay, so that you can get thousands of people to work with you. So all you need to do right now is just go to YouTube. Sorry, all you need to do is just to go to Facebook. And once you are in Facebook, the only thing you need to do is just to go to search. Once you're in the search for legit app to earn money. Okay, legit apps to earn money. Once you type it on, then you can search it. Okay, there are thousands of public groups that you can join. And the secret, what you need to be doing here is you keep joining the groups. Okay, once you join the group, then you can, okay, you answer the question why you want to join. Because I want to earn money. Okay, you submit it and the admin will confirm you. Okay, so like I said earlier, this is new app. Okay, this is new app. That's the reason why I'm still new in this particular app, but because it has been paying my friends, that's why I give it my 5 star. Okay, so once you are in the app, let's assume that we are in the app. So once you are here, all you need to do is just to do exactly what others are doing. Those people are making money. That's why they are posting all those stuff here. If they are not making money, I don't think they will be posting it. Okay, so all these apps are the apps that they are using to cash out. So all you need to do as a wise man, as a wise woman, all you need to do is once you are in your Chrome or any browser at all, you can go to your browser and search for $1 PayPal. And once you search for it, you turn it to image. Okay, you can see bunch of $1 PayPal there. You download one. Okay, then you come here. As you can see what all those people are doing. Okay, and this person have like 65 view. Okay, 57, and those people are, okay, this one is 775. Those people are potential customers. Those people, you can make money from them. Okay, so once you click, you post the testimony that you have earned $1. Okay, this is, if you need more info, just chat me up. And once that person chat you up, you just give them your link. Okay, your referral link. And once that person download your link, you keep accumulating more points and you keep making endless money. Okay, once you take this thing very serious, you keep making money. But if you are the type that come here to watch and go away, you won't make money. That's the time those shit don't work. But once you do what I ask you to do right now, you keep making money. Okay, so that's another way. You can post it at some groups on WhatsApp. Okay, you can post it on some group on WhatsApp. You can tell them that this is the app that have been paying me. Then you screenshot, you send them that screenshot of $1 PayPal that you have been receiving. Once they download through your link, you keep making money. Okay, okay, next thing is to tell you the name of this app. Okay, the app is here. Let me show you the app. Okay, you click on Play Store and search for amusing reward. Okay, amusing reward. Can you see the spelling? Amusing reward. Okay, once you are here, as you can see, I have downloaded it already. You can see download here, this particular one. So download it, and after downloading it, you can start, doing this simple stuff I'm doing right now. I wish you good luck. I wish you more money to your bank account. Please, if you love what I'm doing here, you can support me by, liking this video and also subscribing to this channel and turning on the notification bell so that other people can see it and benefit also. Okay, that is what I call big family. We are big family here. We help one another so that we can grow together. Okay, so the name of this app again is Amusing Reward. Okay, Amusing Reward, that's the name of this app that you can keep making money. All right, thank you for your time. Thank you for everything. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment below. Peace out.